Hi, friends. It's Miss Traver. For our read aloud today, we're going to read Too Much Glue. It's a silly story that I think you guys are going to love. It's written by Jason Lefebvre and illustrated by Zach Retz. So let's get started. Our art teacher says, too much glue never dries. She reminds us, glue raindrops, not puddles. And she warns me, Maddie, too much glue. But my dad and I love glue. At home, we make glue glasses, glue mustaches, and even glue bouncy balls. Mom is happy to help. Wow, that looks like a mess in their kitchen. Look, you can see the bouncy balls bouncing all over the place. And they've got their goggles and their mustache, and the mom has a little crown on. So during art class, I found the fullest bottles of glue. I tip them over and squeeze. Plop! Glue squishes from the orange tips and slops all over. Sequins and googly eyes float around in a gooey lake. Then it's time for the most important decoration. Oh my goodness, he is making a mess. That's not what we do in room 6, right? Geronimo! I belly flop onto the table and roll around, letting the glue and everything else cover me. Oh my goodness, do you see him on that table? He's in a huge pile of glue. So do you have a prediction? What do you think is going to happen next? Do you think he's going to be stuck there forever? Do you think he's going to bounce right up? Let's see. Time to go on the drying rack, I announce. But when I try to pull myself off the table, I boing right back down. Too much glue, Manny! Too much glue, my teacher squawks. This is bad. There's only half an hour until the end of school, and all I can do is lift my head, wave my hands, and wiggle my feet. The rest of me is a pluckily stucky mess. Can someone help me? I call. Uh-oh. Looks like he's really stuck. While my teacher is breathing into a paper bag, Noah shouts, "Let's lasso him." Izzy, Noah, and Owen get to work. So you can see the lasso. It's like the rope that one of the boys is doing. It has a big circle and then a little rope attached to it. They're going to try to throw it around his body and pull him right off. Do you think that's going to work? Let's see. Soon I'm roped from all sides like a rodeo pony. But when they try to pull me out, snap! The lassos break, leaving colorful octopus tentacles everywhere. Because now they look like they're tentacles. The glue is too strong. And now I'm a clingy, stringy, plucky, stucky mess. Oh no. I would not be comfortable. Don't worry, Maddie. We know what to do, shout Luke and Grace from across the room. Is that a tow truck? I ask as they wheel the contraption over and stick a plastic hook into my suit of glue. Oh my goodness, they do. They made their own little Lego tow truck. Very creative. My friends pull one way and the glue pulls the other way. Creak, click, creak, click, until... Kaboom! The tow truck explodes and plastic bricks rain all over. Oh my goodness, look, his friends fell over too. Now I'm a clicky, bricky, clingy, stringy, blocky, stucky mess. Shouldn't have used that much glue, right? The school nurse bursts in to check my temperature. 98.6. Nope. Sorry, no fever. I can't send you home early. She dabs and pats me like I'm spilled juice, but the more she blots, the more the glue spreads. Soon, I'm a melted mummy, clicky, bricky, clingy, stringy, plucky, stucky mess. Then the principal comes in. He takes one look at me, sticks a note on my belly, and leaves. Seeing my teacher huffing and puffing like a train gives me a great idea. I whisper it to Haley and Owen. The final bell rings and everyone freezes, except for Owen and Haley. What do you think the principal wrote on that note? Anyone have any ideas? What do you think he stuck on that note as he put it on his belly? Let's see. It's the biggest one we could make, they shout, furiously flapping a huge paper fan at me. Just as I'm thinking, I'll be a note on my tummy, melted mummy, clicky, bricky, clingy, stringy, blocky, stucky, glue boy for the rest of my life. My plan works. Something my teacher said never would happen happens. The glue dries. But I'm still stuck, and now I hear footprints. The door starts to open. Who do we think is coming in? My father and some other carpool parents walk in. Dad comes closer and inspects me. Then he peels me off the table. Glue, yarn, bricks, and all. He spins me around. No one makes a sound. Then Dad smiles. Maddie, you're a masterpiece. He holds me up for everyone to admire. My friends all cheer. He definitely is a masterpiece. Look at all of the art craft pieces on him. He's got some of those bricks. He's got the string. He's got I guess it's yarn. Oh my goodness. The car ride home is interesting. Uh-oh. He's got all the things flying off of him. Mom is speechless when Dad brings me into the house, but he knows just what to do. Well, kiddo, Dad says, some beautiful things only happen once, and this is one of those things. He gently grips the dried glue in front of my neck and behind my collar and peels me open like a ripe banana. So you can see the Dad's just pulling the glue off of him, taking off his glue suit. Now it's Dad's turn to glue, and he seals up the sides of the me-shaped work of art. I bet it would take all the glue in the art room to make a U-shaped work of art, Dad, I say. Dad laughs. Then he glues a big magnet to the back of my project and hangs it on the fridge. During dinner, we sneak peeks at my masterpiece. And after dinner, do you see his masterpiece on the refrigerator? His glue suit? Now what do we think happens after dinner? We take the principal's note very seriously. So if you look really close, it has the principal's note on his glue suit. From the desk of Elmer G. Stuckey. Please encourage Maddie to use tape instead of glue. And if you look at Maddie and his parents, what are they using? Lots and lots of tape to make crafts. They made a hammock, an apron, a swing with like a harness. Wow, they are very creative people. So I hope you guys enjoyed this story. I liked it. It also makes me a little nervous to use glue, but remember we use raindrops and not puddles. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will send out a new Read Aloud tomorrow. Bye, friends.